everyone, welcome to Opportunity Circle, the #1 opportunities discovering platform. We are back with another amazing international internship opportunity, the UNHCR Internship Program. This is one of the most extraordinary internships for competent, highly driven and passionate individuals willing to work as humanitarians. Candidates of this international internship program will become an important component of UNHCR's goals of serving humanity while also getting exposure to the global environment. People who are well informed from all over the world can apply for this paid internship program at UNHCR to ensure that their new ideas and diverse reasoning can be put to good use to improve the world. UNHCR internship program will provide an allowance for the food and local transportation. However, interns must cover any cost that goes above the allowance. It is also an opportunity to become a member of the community-based defense group while adhering to academic guidelines. The UNHCR internship program's duration is up to 6 months. The program will allow interns to develop enthusiasm and abilities that will help them advance in their careers in the future. The United Nations International Internship Program is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for candidates to work on assigned tasks and projects while being mentored by some of the world's most knowledgeable and experienced specialists. In addition, the international internship provides an opportunity to delve deeper into issues of great importance. Interns at the UNHCR work with refugees, internally displaced persons, stateless people, and a variety of other human rights related projects. International paid internship is an opportunity to learn and a platform to collaborate for a greater good. United Nations High Commission for Refugees was established to address the evacuee situation. Since then, the firm has been involved in various projects to protect evacuees, internally displaced people, and others. On its 50th anniversary, the firm has succeeded in providing assistance to more than 50 million evacuees worldwide. Due to the relentless efforts and excellence and overwhelming success in providing aid to those in distress, the organization has received 2 Nobel Prizes. UNHCR offers internship in Geneva as well as other areas where UNHCR offices are established. Internship possibilities are based on the needs of the company. Additionally, positions are assigned based on the candidate's interest and academic history. UNHCR is a global organization. As working for such a large organization ensures the experience gained from the 6-month internship program as a global corporation is unquestionably an everlasting learning experience. The eligibility criteria to apply for the UNHCR internship program in Switzerland: candidates whose immediate relatives are employees at UNHCR cannot apply. Candidates from around the world can apply regardless of their nationalities. Candidates must be enrolled in an undergraduate or graduate degree program from a university or higher education institution. Recent graduates are also eligible to apply. Candidates must have completed at least 2 years of their undergraduate program in a relevant field or an area of interest by the organization's work. If the candidate has completed graduation, only the fresh candidates can apply. Fresh graduates mean students whose graduation has not been completed more than 1 year ago. Benefits of the UNHCR internship program: interns who are not receiving financial support from another party will receive an allowance for food and local transport, but internees are required to cover any expense that goes above allowance, and they must arrange medical insurance and provide proof of insurance to UNHCR. To apply for this internship program, click on the link given in the description section of this video, and after clicking on that link, you will be redirected to this web page. Scroll down and read all the details about the internship program, and then scroll down towards the application process section. The application process for the paid UNHCR internship program is online. Candidates must first register for an account before applying online. They must complete online profiles. The mode of the application's language must be English. Candidates must select the specific open position once they have successfully registered. Candidates must be able to communicate and be proficient in English. Knowledge of UNHCR's second language is not required, although it is advantageous. Make sure to carefully compose your motivational letter, personal statement, since it will demonstrate your previous experience and eligibility for the position. Deadlines are different for each project under the UNHCR internship program. Click on Apply Now to start your application process. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for daily updates and new videos. Don't forget to join the official groups of Opportunity Circle on WhatsApp and Telegram, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates and new opportunities. After clicking on Apply Now, you will be redirected to the UNHCR Asia Pacific website. You can see the full details about the internship programs, the eligibility, food and local transportation allowance, medical insurance, Then you can see the current internship positions, internship in Geneva, Switzerland, internships in other UNHCR locations. Click on Livelihood and Economic Inclusion Intern. Closing date is 21st December 2021. Internships in other UNHCR locations, regional and country offices post internship opportunities primarily on their dedicated website. We encourage interested applicants to frequently visit these sites for available opportunities. Let's see the application process about the Livelihood and Economic Inclusion Intern in Geneva. You can read the full details about the internship program, the minimum qualifications required, desirable qualification and skills, conditions, how to apply. Interested applicants should submit their application through www.unhcr-careers. Click on vacancies and search for JO32116. This is the code for the internship program. Click on this link. You will be redirected to the UNHCR careers page. Click on vacancies. Then you will be redirected to the job search. On the job search page, on the top right corner, you can see sign in a new user. Click on new user. You have to register your account information, your username, password, confirm your password, your first name and your last name. Then you have to add in your contact information, your primary email type, email address, phone and preferred contact method and click on register. After registering your account, click on internship advertisements in the filter option and then click on internship livelihood and economic inclusion unit of self-reliance and inclusion section in Geneva. You can read the full details about the internship program and then click on apply. Click on My Account Information, complete all the details in this form, your current address, your permanent address, your phone, your nationality type and then click on Save. After reading the full details about the internship program, click on Apply. There are 7 steps to apply for this internship program. The first step is Agreement. You have to take the I agree to these agreements and then click on Next. The second step is Letter of Interest. Click on Enter Letter of Interest and add in your interest letter. Second step is Personal Information, your marital status, your date of birth and your gender. And then click on Next. Then you have to add in your education details, your skills, your language skills, and your licenses and certifications. After adding the license and certifications, the next step is you have to submit your application, your qualification details, your work experience, etc. and then additional information and your documents, and then the final step is review and submit. Thank you so much for your interest in this video. We hope that this video is helpful for you, and if